We're already 15 minutes into the hike. We're going up to the hill. Very slight incline, so nothing hard right now. Saw a couple people, one bicyclist. I guess because of the long weekend, lots of people are hiking today, but I think when I will go a little bit further in, there will be no people. This is not really a popular hike because you have to drive a lot from LA to get here. There are lots of closer hikes from LA. This is kind of on the other side, on the Antelope Valley side, closer to Victorville, Hallandale, Hesperia, those areas. The other thing is, it's really hot today, and this time during the daytime in the desert, you can see the desert right there. It's when 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, more than 40 degrees Celsius. So people are afraid of leaving their houses. They think that, oh, it's gonna be hot on the mountain, which will be, but not right now. Right now it's still beautiful morning. I would say it's about 85, 86 degrees.